Hi, I'm Poppi, here with the courtesy of clownaddicts.com with a skit called Bird in the Bag. I'm sure you've all seen magicians produce animals from out of nowhere. I can make a bird appear from this little paper bag. All I have to do is give the bird a little air and say the magic words. Abracadabra, peace and love, from this bag will I produce a dove. Maybe a little smaller bird. Give it a little bit more air. Abracadabra, in a smidgen, from this bag will appear a pigeon. Maybe just a little smaller bird. Give it a little bit more air. Abracadabra, fuzzy and hairy, from this bag I will produce a canary. Oh, this time I got it! Hi, I'm from Call Us Clowns. I hope you enjoyed our skit and enjoy it with your friends.